we're putting in these bifold doors, but you can see over here, it's good at the top, but as you come down, it starts to come out. So we need to push this board back this way a little bit. So the plan is to take this 2x4 and drive it back, and then trim the 2x4 down at the bottom. Right here, there's 2 nails, and we might see some splitting as we push the board back. But this nail right here we can remove. So we got this nail out of here. So now we can start pounding this, and if it doesn't go back, we'll have to cut some relief into here with a saw. And now it looks like it's starting to come back enough. So now let's trim off the drywall. Now we got a straight edge, so let's line it up and start to cut. You can also use the board on the inside as a straight edge. Now you can start to work this off once it gets loose. Just work it off with your fingers a little bit. You can also take a saw and use that to clean up the drywall. Just be careful not to hit the nails. Keep going until you get to the floor, and we'll have to trim off that 2x4, which could be a little tricky. It may take a little bit of time. Once you get to the bottom, we can start cutting off the 2x4. When you get to the edge of the concrete, you want to be careful so you don't dull your saw. It looks like that's as far as we can go. So let's try taking this off with a chisel, and you can see it even moves a little bit. So it's just about off there. This isn't actually a wood chisel, it's a metal chisel, but whoops, it should do the job. And there they go. So if your opening is ever too small in this doorway, just remember how to do it, and it's really not too hard of a job. It's easier than what you would think. So I hope this video was useful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.